Platform height 5.8 meters. Rated load 280 kg. Instead of traditional hydraulic cylinder, using integration technology for electric push-rod, completely suitable for special places with harsh environmental requirements. Equipped with AC lifting electric push-rod, DC steering electric push-rod, and AC drive motor. Maintenance-free lead-acid battery and energy recovery system achieve long-life battery. Sensitive to steering and efficient to move, makes it become the magic weapon for lifting operation. The advantages of high efficiency, low noise, and no oil leakage are suitable for use in working conditions with very stringent requirements, such as museum, high-end office building, food processing factory, and etc.